So Piper, would you be so kind as to introduce yourself for my friends? Would you say your name and how old you are?
I'm 5 and my name's Piper.
Piper, I would like to write a story with you today. I like using my typewriter to write stories down. And I was hoping that you would help me come up with a really fun one today. Do you think you could help me do that?
Okay.
All right, how does your story start?
It's called The Storm versus the Tornado.
The storm versus the tornado. I love that. That is a perfect title. All right. How does your story start?
Was a baby. There was a storm.
There once was a baby.
The baby said, "Stop fighting, you storm."
The baby said, "You think they keep fighting? Stop!"
They said, "Well, no, I was here first, just in my land."
I can fight better, said the storm. They fought and they fought. And what was the next part?
No, they fighted and fighted.
They fighted and fighted. What happens next? Tornado that need to leave. The end. Okay. Now, do you want to see all the pictures together in one go? And can I read you the story back one more time?
Yeah.
All right. This was a great story, Piper. I think it's one of the best ones. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's called The Storm versus the Tornado. There once was a baby, a storm, and a tornado. The baby said, "Stop hurting each other, storm and tornado," because they were shooting lightning, crack, 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 over the baby. But the storm and the tornado refused to listen. "I can fight better," said the storm. "This is my land," said the tornado. They fighted and they fighted, but then the clouds heard the baby crying. And together they called in the winds, and the storm, crack, crack, and the tornado were blown far, far away. The baby said, in a baby talking voice, "This is my land, and my parents lived here before any storms ever came. And it's you, storm, and you, tornado, that need to leave." And the storm, crack, crack, and the tornado found other places and other people to bother, and they never troubled the baby again. The end. That was great. Thank you, Piper. That was a wonderful story.
You might know a little bit of the backstory. There was tornadoes here on Thursday, and so Piper had to go into a tucked position for an hour at school, and 5 tornadoes were recorded in Charlotte area.
5 tornadoes? My goodness, you must have been pretty brave. Was it hard to be in the tucked position?
We were all scared.
Oh, geez. Was it hard to be in the tucked position?
Yeah, it was really hard. We did not like it at all.
I can't blame you. What does it look like when you're in the tucked position?
I'll show you. If Mommy comes back, she can hold the phone.
Okay.